BMeks info channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you things you need to disable or turn off if you must enjoy your system. Please, if any of these tips works for you, don't fail to subscribe to this channel and share your comments at the comments section. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Windows search bar and type Task Manager. Click OK when that pops up. Or just press Ctrl, hold Shift key and press Escape to bring Task Manager up. When Task Manager opens up, head straight to Startup tab at the left-hand side and click on it. And here you will see the list of all the startup applications that are currently running in your system. These applications boot along whenever you press your computer start button, and most of them have high impacts on your computer startup and performance. So you have to go through and make sure anyone you don't make use of every now and then is disabled. Just follow me on the screen. Just click on any application you want to turn off and right-click on it to disable it. So you have to be sure on which one you don't really need and the impacts it has on your PC performance before you disable such. As you can see, not all the startup applications here are useful. So disable anyone you don't make use of every now and then. Then the second thing you have to turn off are the background applications. Go to your Windows settings. Just type Settings on your Windows search bar. And when that opens, just go to the left-hand side and select Apps. Click on Apps and then select Installed Apps. Click Installed Apps and here you will see so many applications that are installed in your system. And the most of them occupy large memory. You have to go through them and make so many of them here. And most of them have high impacts on your system memory. So go to the three dots. You know, just after any of the installed app, and click on it. And then select Advanced option. And from here you can find out if any of this application runs at the background. And from here you can stop them from running at the background. Just go through this, and I bet you some of them are running at the background, and you need to stop them. So from here you can just go ahead and stop them under the Advanced option, like I just mentioned, or just follow what I'm doing on the screen. And for the third thing to be turned off, you have to go to your settings as you did before. And this time around you have to select Notifications. And here, you have to turn notification off. If it's on in your system, turn it off. You can see so many applications and softwares that have turned off by merely turning the notification button off. And this will make your system to come alive. And it will work faster and better whenever you operate without these applications popping up every time your system is turned on. And again, for the fourth item to turn off, go to Windows Settings. Go to your Windows setting and go to the left-hand side and click on Personalization. And then select Taskbar. And from here you have to turn off widgets. Turn widget off. What is the function of this widget? Widget provides instant checks on weather forecast, stock market trends, traffic, sports, and all that without, opening a web browser. It also displays customized Microsoft Start feed, featuring entertainments, photos, and all that. I bet you don't need all that. So you have to turn it off. And that will make your system to really work better. And then again. For the fifth tip, head to Privacy and Security under Settings at the left-hand side. And click on Diagnostics and Feedback. Make sure to turn off the toggle that reads Send Optional Diagnostic Data, if it's on your own. The first toggle already does that, so turn this one off to avoid system performance lag. Send Optional Diagnostics Data. Make sure this is turned off. This option, if turned on, could interfere with your gaming activities if you use your computer for gaming. And then let me show you the number 6. The sixth thing you need to turn off or disable is in your File Explorer. Go to your File Explorer. Click on your File Explorer, and at the top you will see the 3 dots that appears after Filter. At the top, you have View, then Filter before the 3 dots T. Click on those 3 dots, and from there you have to select View. Click on View and then make sure you uncheck this box down. Scroll down and you will find a box that reads Show Sync Provider Notification. Make sure that box is unchecked. If it is checked on your own, uncheck it. And finally, let me show you the 7th thing you need to turn off. Go to your Windows search bar, type Settings as we did before. And this time around you have to click on Windows Updates. And from Windows Updates, scroll down and click on Advanced option. And then turn off the box that reads Notify me when a restart is required. Make sure it's turned on if you really don't want any interference while operating your computer. If it's off on your system, turn it on. I am sure with these tips, your computer will perform optimally better this time around.